Good morning. Happy Monday. It's May, I have to think, 18th. Let's have a countdown. Every day I will post an object on the screen with that many days left. So if you look in the right-hand corner, how many days do we have left? 10 days. 10 days. 10 days. We will be acting out our favorite, tomorrow is charades, sorry. Tomorrow's Zoom meeting is charades. We will be acting out our favorite Disney movie characters, and the rest of us will have to guess. I think it sounds like fun. Miss Lyle and I and Miss Price, we're also trying to come up with a time where we can have an entire second grade meeting. Boys, remember, there's more to Disney than princesses, so you don't have to come out and act like a princess. Girls, same thing. You don't have to be a princess either. Here's some parent updates and reminders. May 27th through the 29th, we will be handing out the students' belongings. I believe if you haven't gotten a letter, there will be a letter going out in the mail. Wednesday the 27th and Wednesday the 27th and Thursday the 28th, there will be someone at the school from 8 to 3 p.m. I'm not sure how that's going to look. I just know that there will be a group of people during that time to be there handing out the students' belongings. Friday the 29th is a little bit different. There will be someone at the school from 2 to 6 p.m. So from 2 to 6 on Friday the 29th. Miss Lyle, Price, and I will be there on Friday from 4 to 6. Hint, hint. I'm not saying you have to come that day. I'm just saying, you know, the cool people will be there from 4 to 6 on Friday the 29th. If you are someone who requested a grab-and-go math and reading bag, they will be included with your belongings. So what has happened is all the teachers have gone in and packed up the kids' belongings and put them in a bag, whether it be the plastic bag that they used all year. It looks like a giant Ziploc bag, or they have used something else. Right now, everything is in the gymnasium waiting for you all to pick them up. Miss Cash is going to put those who requested a grab-and-go math and reading bag inside of that, and your teachers will be there to hand those out on those dates, the 27th, 28th, and 29th. So, again, Miss Lyle and I and Miss Price will be there on the 29th, Friday night, from 4 to 6. You can see that wink. So parents, that's for you. Kiddos, give your parents a high five this week. When they're doing work with you, don't give them a hard time. And I understand that you may not like all the work that you are getting, 18 weeks of IXL over and over and over again may not be that thrilling anymore. And your teachers understand that. And your parents are just trying to get you to do the work that your teachers want you to do. So don't give them a hard time and give them a high five, because they have done a wonderful job with you and becoming teachers since March. Enjoy your last 10 days. And I mean enjoy your last 10 days. Remember, next year is going to look a little different than every other year since you've been in school, because we're going to have to make up for what we haven't been able to do in school. So I know your teachers have been asking you what you've been doing, but remember, we're using that information to pass it along to your third grade teachers. So just remember that in the next 10 days. I know it's supposed to rain a lot this week, but when you can, get outside and enjoy it. Enjoy the weather. Enjoy being healthy. And that's all I have to say. Hopefully, I will be back on later this evening to read a book. Have a good day. I don't know.